Humans are so disconnected from the earth. Being in the garden is very therapeutic, and I think it's really important to treasure those things that Mother Nature provides for us. I constantly find a source of inspiration in nature. The way trees arch over the streets, and it's just, the way that nature works with mankind and still manages to thrive and survive is something that I use as inspiration in my designs. Flowers and Weeds is a retail garden center and flower shop. This is our greenhouse area. We have all of our highlight plants in here. We have indoor plants for the home. We have outdoor plants for the garden. We have a ton of different succulents and succulent cacti terrariums and dish gardens. We have pre-made ones, or you're more than welcome to come make your own. A flower bar that you can come and grab one flower or a bouquet. $20 grab and go bouquet, $10 grab and go bouquets. This is the jungle room. It is our low light room, more of the tropical plants. We also have our forest terrariums in here. It's very DIY around here. We have a lot of things that we found in the alley. We have a lot of things that friends made for us. I think that fills this space with love, and I want people to come in and feel that. It's funny, gardening can be stressful when there are so many weeds. That's kind of a reason why I named Flowers and Weeds Flowers and Weeds, is because life is full of good and bad things, and the garden is full of beautiful flowers and delicious vegetables and fruits, and also a bunch of weeds. When people walk in, I want them to get a sense of wonderment. I want them to explore, and I guess I would like everyone to have fun when they come in here. My advice is to just get out there to a local garden center, and you should think about what it is that you love to eat, or what it is that you love to look at. If you love sunflowers, grow a bunch of sunflowers. If you love basil, you can grow a bunch of basil and tomatoes and have delicious caprese salads all summer long. You can start small. You can just tend to one plant or 5. If you have an apartment, you can grow everything in pots. There's something for everybody. I still am amazed by Mother Nature. She's pretty amazing.